Devenir professionnel est une nécessité et non un rêve.
Hi everyone and welcome in our channel Devenir professionnel, that's mean in English being professional. So in this course I'm going to show you how to build an e-commerce store with the Blogger. So you don't need to use, for example, WordPress or Joomla, Drupal, PrestaShop, so only with Blogger. As you're watching, we are able to build a professional and a great store to sell our product. So this is the example that we are going to make, but you're free to sell any product. This is another example here, that's for clothes. So this template that we are going to use is providing a lot of features. This professional slideshow, which we can use to see here the latest product or the most popular product here. Also here our products are organized by latest, random and popular. You have to you can organize your product by categories here, by main menu or by menu and sub-menu. So in this example we are going to see everything about this template and how to build this kind of website that allowing us to sell our product faster and to convince our customer to buy from us our product. Also this kind of website doesn't require any knowledge about web development, like having a knowledge about HTML, CSS3 or PHP language. So you don't need anything of that language. All what you need here is an account in Gmail to open your Blogger and to download this template, then to follow this video to build this. So just take an example. For example, if one customer, for example, choose this product here, so he gets that information, the title of the product, the price. He can add this product to this item to the cart or to the wish list. So for example, if he likes this product, he can add it directly and then he can make a checkout. We have here a great galleries and descriptions, feature list, and also we have similar product, and your user or your customer can add a review or can let you a comment to know how he thinks about your product. Also you can disallow him to let you a comment. So let us know, for example, if he want to buy this product, he can click on checkout here and to fill this form. Suppose, for example, this is from Morocco. I am from Morocco. First name, for example, address, email. So I will put, for example, phone, everything you want. Then he can choose between 4 payment method: direct bank transfer, and here I'm going to show you how to put your information here, check the payment, or cash on delivery, or PayPal. So I will choose this one just to show you. So then now I will get this this request in my Gmail. I will check my Gmail here. So as you see, this is this request, the request I get, see, and the link of the product. So if I want to check the product, I just click on this. So I will see that he wants that product, so I can contact him. I have all informations about him, so informations about the product and informations about him. This is his email, his name, and all informations that I need to contact him. So now this is the example that we are going to make. So please open your Blogger here by Gmail and click on create blog. give it a title. So for me, for example, I will make devenir professionnel. That's mean in English being professional or how to be a professional. Next, now choose a name. So your web address it ended always by blogspot.com. So try to choose a great and a good name with keywords that reflect your products or your job. So for me, for example, I will put only my first store. It's not available. Commerce. So I clicked in on save. So now I have I created my blog. Click on view blog to see. So here we have anything. So please go now under the video here you're watching. You will find a link to download the template. So after you're downloading the template, you will get this folder. Please right click on that folder and then click on extract files to get this. Then click on spot commerce and then click on spot commerce template for developer. So here you can open it with Notepad++. It's a free software, or you can only open it with Blocknote like this. Select all and copy. Then close. Go now again to your Blogger. Go to the theme. Click on my theme. Edit HTML. Select everything. I'm sorry, my Windows is by French language. Delete this and paste the code that you have copied. Then click on save. So now check your blog. So now I have installed my template. So let us now starting by the logo, main menu, slider section, and then we build step by step our website. So we will start by logo and menu. So to make the job easy for you, I will put this folder here. I will put this folder here for you. You can download it from the video to follow and to build the same example with me, because if you build the same example, you can then make everything you want. You can delete that blog and to create another one. So just to avoid to get any problem, try to follow me by downloading this file and to do the same as me. So first of all, what you have to know, so the logo here, this is the size of the logo, 8746. So for me, I have already created this logo here. It's a PNG format. So go to your Blogger dashboard, click on layout, header section. Here click on edit, then upload, choose the logo, then click on OK and wait a little bit. Then click on save. So I will check the front office of the Blogger to see. So we have installed here our blog. So as you see, the link of our website is my first store. This is one. This is our logo here, our link, my first store e-commerce blogspot. So I will copy this, but before, go to your dashboard, setting, then click on Ctrl F and select HTTPS. So HTTPS redirect, you have to activate it or to enable this. So click on this, it should become green. Now when I click, I get always HTTPS. So this is my blog. Now I will create my first menu. Go again to layout, go to the link list gadget, main menu. The first menu is home, and add the link, then click add. So the second menu that I should create is, for example, for smartphones. So again, edit. So smartphones. So for the link, now you have to be careful and to think before you do anything. So this is your blog. It started by https://yourname.blogspot.com. So if I want to take the customer directly to one category, I should write always search/label/ the name of the category or category names. So you have to write this. Copy your blog, write search/label/smartphones without space, and then click on add. Click on this to change the position. We have smartphones, we have again laptops, the same job. Pass the link just to say https your blog. At the end, add /search/label/laptops. So do the same for all things. So if you want, for example, to add a sub menu, for example, for smartphones, here I will create, for example, UI/search/label/UI. Then you have to add an underscore here. Click, it should go under. So that's mean this category belong to the smartphones category. So this is the main category, and here the subcategory for the smartphones. So click on save, and let us to check what we have created. Refresh the page. So you see, this is the home. It take me to the same page. When I click on smartphones, so it's free, it's empty, there is no product here. So now let us creating this section. So slider section, we have to add the background, and then I will show you how to add products. So for I will not create other categories, because you have to follow the same example to do everything you want. So go to the header image background here, choose the image. So for the image, this is the size that you have to do. click on save, check your job. So now we have added our background to this section, so we should now to build the product. But before we do this, you have to know something. You have to understand the structure of the slider sections. So we have this, the picture, sub here, the pre-title, the main title, caption, and the button here. So to do this, go to this place, slider label. Here we have you can notice that here we have placed 5 images. So you can, for example, if you want only to put 3, you can just click on edit and delete or remove them. Click on OK. So now we have only 4. If I want, for example, to add more than 5 or more than 7 or as the number as I wish, just click on add gadget and look for image and click on this plus to add it. So here for the title, click write title, your title. So title, the title of the product, for example, UI Pro 40 or no, or everything you want. Between brackets, you add the pre-title. The same caption between brackets. Alright, the button value, example, value of the button. So let us now check this. So for the link now, because we don't have still create any product, so here I will leave this place empty, but we can come back when we create our product. We can come back to edit this. So click on upload and choose the product you want. So for me, for example, I will choose I will choose this. Click on save, check your job. So you see here, title, between brackets we get the pre-title, caption, and between brackets we get this. So here you can write what you want, but between brackets. This is the example. For example, I have created here. See, for each button I put a different value, because what I want to, for example, to convince the customer to buy and to see or to click on this link to see the product. So do the same job, do the same work. So I will delete everything. So the title to, for example, pre-title. So right here between it, write what you want, caption, between brackets write the value, for example this, add the product, so as you see, it's very easy to build a professional store. So you don't have any, it doesn't require any knowledge in development. So here, as you see, you can edit everything. You can put the text you want, like I did here. See, this is the place of the caption, the title, pre-title, and this is the value of the button here. Just for me, I just make this example to see it. So now what we have to do is to go again to your dashboard, go again to your Blogger, click on setting, and then click Control F and click meta tags. So it's very important to enable this place. Then try to create a small description about your website, because it's very important that this description is used by Google. I will give you an example. When we go to the Google here, so for example I look for phones, so this is the description. This description here you are watching, so you have to write, this is the snippet code here that you have to custom for each product. That's why enable this place and give write a great description with keywords that allowing our customers to find you faster on Google. Okay, also this place, it's very important because the customer, they always read this place before they click on the link. So to motivate them and to push him to click and to visit your website, you must be careful about the text that you will write here. Don't let Google to choose anything from your page and put it here. Okay, so for me, I will not put anything, or I can just put, for example, blah blah blah. Just for me, it's a false website. Just want to show you. So go again to layout. So we have created slider. Now go to the horizon section. This is this place. I will add the background. So for us, for example, we don't have any background here. So go here, horizon image background. Click on edit, add the background. So this is the size of the background. Click on save. So now I will add another text here. For example, my address, phone, Facebook, or anything that can allow our customers to contact us directly by using social media or email or by phone. So to add this text here, go back again to your dashboard, horizon section, click on directly text gadget, edit. So it's very easy to add this. So just write ∠ home ∠ again. That's allowing us to add icons. So here you have a lot of icons here. Just write in Google this font awesome 4.1.0 icon and you will get this. There's a lot of icons here. For example, Ctrl F, home. If I look for home, just write home. Now I need phone here. For example, you have mobile, as you see, mobile phone. So I will add it. So my home, for example, here, try to add your address, double this again, phone, press, and you write your number again, double this, mobile, and you write it again. You can write your email, your everything you need. example, this paper plane or paper plane O. I will take this. I'm sorry, between W's. So to avoid any problem, paper there. So write your email. So all this is just example. You can also add Facebook, Twitter, or anything you want, and you write your text. So save. So for you, you're free to choose the icon you need. Just you have just to write them between WDs. So on Google, look for this font awesome 4.0 icon, and you will get this. Here you have a lot of icons. You're free to choose 11 page. So there is a lot of awesome icons that you can use for your website. So now this page, you can also here add your text or something to encourage or to motivate the customer to contact you, because as much as you get more feedback from your contact, as much as you can sell and as much as you can present correctly the product you need. So now let us add in the page. Some pages here like this, for example, about us, terms, or anything, contact us or anything. So I will copy this text just so go back to your dashboard and click on page, new page, for example, about us. I will add the text here, so you're free to add picture or to add anything. So choose file here. So for me, we'll create only one page. So for you, you're free to add as much as you want of pages. But what you have to do is don't forget this place. So this is search description. You must always to give for each page or for each product, you have to give it a good description, because this is used by Google, as I showed you last time. Phones. So you have to custom this description. Don't let Google to choose anything, because Google by default, what he will do, he will just cut some 150 here character and put it in that place. So don't let you to Google or any bot to do what he wants, but you should to edit your description because this allowing you to convince faster your customer. Here are the option for comments: allow, don't allow, show existing, don't allow, and hide existing. You have 3 options here. So click on publish and confirm. So go again to layout. So go to the footer number 2, footer 2 sections, click on edit. So now add this. We have home. Now add this about us and click on save. check your job. So here it will be added here. About us. So this is your page. So you can create as much as you want of pages here. So as much so for example about us, terms, privacy terms, and etc. So you can put the all informations that can be used by your customer, because they must trust you, as you can should earn his trust as much as you can. So now we have our slideshow, contact form is created, our pages. So now let us creating the first product. So here, as you see, we have three sections: smartphone, laptops. But for Huawei I will not add anything for this category. I just want to show you how to create menu and submenu. So the same way we work, because one example is enough to do, and you can follow the same example to do the job. So go to the post, we'll copy this text. So after you clicking on the post, click on new post. Your first product, for example Pro, for example P30. Add your text. You don't need to add description, just write, but you can add you can write feature list, because this by default it added descriptions. So at the end, now we will add the gallery of the product. Choose file, we choose this one, to picture. Section, select. So here now, just I will bring you again to this example because I want to show you. So here you have three options. You can show to the customer that this product is out of stock. You can show him the last price, and this is the new, just to show him that to encourage him and to motivate him. And you have again to put only the product. So you have three options. So for the first one, this one is normal, underscore, and write the price. For example, I put everything 60, comma. Now I will put this product, it belongs to smartphones. Please look to this, please. So when I put the mouse on the smartphones, you can read my first ecommerce.blogspot.com/search/label/smartphones. You see that place, it calls the name of the category as I showed you last time. So this place is very important. So I will write this here, smartphones. So now, and check this place. So now this product, it belongs to the smartphones. Publish. Let us check. So this is our first product. So here you have the price, you have a feature list, some description, and the gallery. So what we forget, as I told you last time, click on it again. Don't forget this place, search description. You have always try to, for example, Huawei Pro P30, great, good, or code price, or anything that can allowing your customer to buy. Here the options if you want to allow comments, and don't forget this permalink. I will copy this. I will show you why. So go again to your dashboard, click on layout. After I copy that permalink, I go to the slider. So here the second product is, I think, is the phone. Yes. So here I put that link. I click on save. Now I go to the home. So when I click on this place, it will take me directly to the page. So HTTP, my first blog. I don't know why. Okay, I will see why. HTTP. So copy this. I will copy the link to compare it with that in the post permalink. So HTTP. So I want to compare that link with this to see where is the problem here. HTTP, my first e-commerce blog, 80 UI Pro. So it's the same. I will see again. Go back again to your layout. Go to the title. So HTML, HTTPS. Okay, I save. So it take me directly now to the product. So I will do the same thing for this product. The same. Go again to the post. I will create another product. Click on post, new post. For example, watch Pro. The text, I need a text. So I will copy some text here. It's a false text, but for me I want just we'll add some picture to the product. So for the label here, suppose for example that the price was 70 and I want to buy it with 60 underscore comma 70. That's mean that the new price is 60 but the last price is 70, and this product is belongs to the it belongs to not smartphones but wearables. Confirm. Same thing. We must always write a good text for a good description for the product, and the option if you want always to allow your customer to add their comments. So I will tick this because I need it. Layout. Go to your first slide. This is the one. I will add the link. check the job. So you see, if I go to the home, when I click here, it will take me directly to the product. So if you want, for example, you see here, if you want, so I will add the last example to show you how to add this out of stock, this example. So we have done this one, the second example. So now this is the last example. So if you follow this that's two example, you can do the same job. So we have here, I will add another, for example, laptops, new post, lap, add your text. I need a text again. Add some picture or some image for the product. So if the product is out of stock, an exclamative pound and write 0, comma, this product is belong to the laptops, and check this, the same. I don't need this now. So location, you can add the location of the product, search option, and all those information. So please don't forget this place, it's very important. Click on publish, confirm. So now I have 3 products. So the user cannot add this to his card. So now we are going to add some other features to our website. We are going to add some social media and how to custom displays and how to choose the number as you want. For example, here you see 8 products, but in this website I have more than 10 products, so it's 12. Normally should be 12 because I have only created 10 products. So now we are going to create this place, this social media section. So go back to your dashboard and click on layout. In this place we are going to add some links to our social media like YouTube channel, Twitter, Facebook or Google+. Also we will add this form here to allow to subscribe, to add their email. Then we will deliver them the content directly via email. So to do this, go back to your dashboard, Blogger, click on layout, go to the footer 1 section here and click on get update, followed by email gadget. So click edit. So to know more about 𝕨𝕑𝕘𝕜 URL, go just to Google here and you can get all information that you need for the 𝕑𝕑𝕜 email overview and fag. So you can find all information that you need, but it's very important to do this because this will allow us to deliver the content to our subscribe. So click on edit, you will get this pop-up image. So you can change this, get update or write what you want, then change the email, click on save, go again to edit, for social media. So here write Google plus, and then add your email, your address, domain.com. So for me, I will not write anything, but for you, add your page, add link, same, add your Facebook page. As I told you last time, this is just a false website, so but you have to add a correct link. YouTube, Twitter. So you can change the position of that icon here. For example, I will start with Google, then Twitter, and then click on save. Check your page. So as you see now, we add this form, and here the user or the customer can add his email, and then he will be notified via email by all our latest product. So it's a good and important step that you have to do for your website, because this allows us to sell more and to have more subscribe on our blogger. Also, this place, it's very important to make more interaction with your customer, to bring them to the face page, to face Twitter, YouTube, and all that social media links. If I click, for example, here, it will take me directly to domain name. It doesn't work because for me I put a false link. So now what we will do is I will show you how to change some variable here. For example, when the customer choose one product and try to finish the process to buy from you. So here, as you see, there is many fields here. So I will show you how to hide some of them, also how to add some informations in this place in direct bank. So about our store, streets, check payment, how some other informations, and for our people too. So to do this, go back again to your dashboard, click on layout, and then go directly to here. You have we have two sections. This section here is allow us to translate the website for any language that we want, for example French, Arabic, or any other language, German or others. For variables here, this place allow us to change some variable here that we can add directly. So click on edit. So this place allow us to change and to configure many variables for our website, like currency code, some informations about direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery, and everything here. As you see, for the currency code is by dollar, so I can change it. Click variable and edit, then you will get this pop-up page. So here in documentation you will find a lot of variables that you can use. For example, for the code currency, you just look for your code currency, and if you don't find it, so you can use this variable, this one. Write it. So for me, my currency signal is mad, not smart. Save. Then I will check. So you see, I'm at this. So I can change the position to be before or after to do this. So here are other variables. so you can change everything you need. Currency position, as you see, currency position, copy this and then right at this. After you see, now I change the position of the currency code. So now go to the home in your website, try to buy something from you. It's just an example. Add this item to your cart and click on checkout. I want just to show you how to custom the form. For example, here we can find many fields. So for example, if you want to hide some of them, like for example company name, it's very easy. Here you will enable field first name, country, company name and everything. So just copy this, go again to your dashboard, edit variables, and then click write false. So this will hide directly this company name. Now now I will add an email for my PayPal. So look for your PayPal email. This is one. Copy this, go to same place, variables, write this variable and add your email. So for me I just write a full email, click on add. So do the same for all variables that you want to change. For example, here the name, store name, your store name that will show in checkout, in checkout method. The same for the street, town, country, and follow the same example to change all variables for your website. You can also custom the way that works your slider show. You say slider animation speed. You can custom this number, pause time, control, and everything you need. So it's very easy to custom this. You don't need any developer web to help you. Only you can custom and change everything you need. You don't need to have any knowledge on web development. So now I'm going to show you how to translate your website. So it's very easy. Again, click on translator and then click on edit. So by default this website is built by English language, but you can use this template for other languages, French, English, German, or any language you want. So just go to your dashboard, layout, and then go to blog setting, translators, and click on edit. So it's very easy. So for example, I want to change this. For example, add to cart. So write like this, add to cart. So in French language is ajouter à la carte. And write the word that you have on the website, add to cart. Click add link, click save, refresh the page. You see ajouter à la carte. It's very easy. So I will add this to the cart and I will click on checkout. Just I want to show you another case. Not checkout, please come here. Not checkout, because here there is one problem that you have to be careful when you're translating this place here. When you find the number, that means this is the first string, and this is the second string. So you can't do add one items to cart. No, you translate add only and then translate items to cart. I will give you an example. Add in French is ajouter. Add. Then I will add this link. I have items to cart. Items without a. So ajouter. Non, item c'est produit à la carte. Add link. Save. I will now see the example here. So you see ajouter un produit à la carte. Normalement, we don't have to add this s because this means plural items. You do the same, add to the wish list, add a review, some example, ajouter un commentaire. So it's very easy to translate anything you want. Ajouter un commentaire. And click on save. Refresh the page to see. Ajouter un commentaire. So all variables here, all words, you can translate them only with this in that place here, layout and translator, and change your website. So by using this template, as you know, Blogger allow you to create mini blog with one account, so you can create different pages, different blog, and to sell your product with different language. So it's very easy to do this, and that's mean that allow you to sell more, and you don't have to hire someone, for example a developer web, to help you. So you can do this job only. You don't need anyone. So if you like this video, please don't forget to share it with others, and if you have any question, you can let me one comment or your comments under this video, then I will answer you. So thank you for following this video. See you on the next video in devenir professionnel. This is our channel, being professional. So thank you so much and goodbye.